This is a demonstration of PreziNext versus PowerPoint. As you can see, I downloaded the application PreziNext from the website, and I can edit any of the PreziNext animations that are on the website, the Prezi website. And we're waiting for it to load. Now you can see you can access the cover and the second slide. With the first slide, if you present it, you can see that the background goes to all the way to the edge of the artboard and to the screen. If you go to the next slide and you try to resize the background image so that it fills to the screen edge, you can see it leaves a border, a margin around the background image. And here, as you present it, you can see that border. There's the full screen view of the first slide and then the margin around the second page. And that's an error inside the PreziNext software. And with text, you can add animations to a particular text field. In this case, it's who we are. You can add fade in, fade out, zoom to, and zoom out to topic, and those are the only options. So with this, we've added who we are, fade in, a fade in animation for who we are text. And if you present it, you can see that who we are fades in. If you go to the next, I've already set this up so that you can take a peek at how it looks. There's actually a big gap in between the image sides. So when it zooms to the center of the screen, you've got a margin on the left and the right-hand side. You can't animate any of these other fields or these other elements like technical services and the bubble that says any logistics company worldwide or the Dex pod. But with PowerPoint presentation, as I will show you, hold on one second. Let's go to that particular slide and, oops, that particular slide and present it. So we'll go to view, oops, sorry, review, no, slideshow from current slide. And you can see that I've added some animations for the technical services, logistics, Dex pod, and the other elements on the page. And you can see that there's a transition also that you can set inside PowerPoint from page to page. Where with this, like I said, if you zoom into that same slide, that's all the transition you're going to get. And you can move around, add other elements. I've already added other elements so that you can see what it would look like. Now I'm going over to the classic view, PreziNext or Prezi Classic. And this is the Prezi Classic. And I've already set up, obviously, the engineering, manufacturing, and repair presentation. We'll go ahead and take a look at editing, how this is edited in the Prezi Classic view. And you're working in an entire artboard where you can move around the artboard as opposed to be pigeonholed to a specific screen size, meaning 1024 by 768 or whatever. So anyway, on the left-hand side, you can see that there are slides that you can click through that will take you to your different transitions, where the new PreziNext doesn't have that. All you can do is basically use your mouse roller to scroll in slowly to each one of the slides, as I'm showing, and then you can set it up. But there's no way to access it unless you use your mouse scroll. And here, when I zoom into the picture, same here. Gotta scroll, 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 and add your pictures or whatever. And you can click on the right-hand side, and give a demonstration of what it looks like, but it won't take you to the actual slide that you're trying to get to for editing. It only gives you a demonstration of what it looks like. So that makes it a little bit more complicated. Whereas here you can scroll around the artboard. And I believe, let me scroll in, same mouse scroll to get to different elements inside the presentation. And you can continuously scroll in, scroll in. Now the sad part about the move from Prezi Classic, oops, can't zoom in any farther. So it tells you when you can't zoom in any farther. And again, here's a demonstration of how it looks. And this, I'm going to give you a demonstration of how it presents in PowerPoint. So here you've got the border around, or the margin on either side, but you can fill that by making modifications to the actual graphics so that it fills the screen. Nice little transition from sliding and the text coming in. Little page transitions. Here's some animations on the page. Kind of give it a little bit better of a feel. There's another page transition and then some more animations. And here's another page transition with additional swipe animations, etc., etc. You can set up video inside PowerPoint. Unfortunately, I don't have access to the video at this point to give you a demo of that. And more page transitions and animations. So you can get the same similar effect to Prezi Classic, but it's all consolidated into one screen resolution, meaning 1024 by 768 or whatever the person is viewing at. And you can only operate or make modifications within that same screen resolution instead of using an entire artboard. Now, the unfortunate part about Office 365 and doing a presentation inside Office Online or PowerPoint Online. Here, first let me log in. Give me one moment here. Sorry about that. It's kind of a weird little glitch going on. Let's pause this for a second. Okay, so now we're here to PowerPoint Online. You're getting all the animations inside the individual pages, but you're only getting fade in, fade out when it comes to transitioning from page to page. And see, you can still see the animations, but again, you're still not getting that page transitions that you're getting when you utilize PowerPoint from desktop. And here's PowerPoint from desktop, and you can see there's a page transition, and there's another page transition that are missing from the PowerPoint Online version. So the only solution for that would be to export or pull in a PowerPoint presentation using a software program called iSpring. And I don't have a demonstration of that right now, as I can't access remote desktop to the laptop in the office. So that will be another demonstration. Once I get in tomorrow, I can show you how to export from PowerPoint to iSpring, and then be able to convert that into HTML5 files that you can display in a web browser on a server as you would do with Prezi. And that will be tomorrow. Thank you.